Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to clear spam in Gmail. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now you already probably know that Gmail do that for basically every 30 days, so it automatically deletes any messages in the spam folder. Now if you want to do that manually, what you can do is basically head over here to the left side hand menu and click on more. Also on the phone, you will see this menu and you will select basically the spam folder. Now what you're going to do is here you will see this checkbox. So select that and you will check all of these spam emails. And then what you can do here, you will see delete forever. Click on that and that's basically it. So now you have deleted. If we go to look into the trash, so yeah, now it's basically empty and we successfully deleted our spam folder. And yeah, so I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next